Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you how to see anyone's Instagram profile picture in full size using your mobile device. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your Instagram app and go to the user's profile. So for example, Selena Gomez. And I want you to do is to check on his or her username. Okay, and you need to remember that. So just go ahead, and the username, you can see it at the upper part of your screen. Okay, so now I want you to do is to go and open any browser, but in this tutorial I'm gonna use Safari and search for instadp.net. You can see that here on my search bar. So now, as I said earlier, you need to remember their username because you need to type it here and click on the search button. So let's just wait for it. So I want you to click on the profile DL, okay? So once you scroll down, you can see their profile picture here, and there is a download button. So if you want to download their profile picture, you can just go ahead and click on that and click on download. And you want to check the download, and here you can see that it is done downloading. And to save it to your device, just go ahead and click on the share button at the lower left corner of your screen and click on save image. So now their profile picture is now saved on your device. So that's it. That is how you see anyone's Instagram profile in full size. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.